Hey everybody, Mark here with Imhoff Painting. Today we are working in the Denver Country Club neighborhood. We've been doing this beautiful exterior. As you can see, we have completed a big section of the house with all the details, different colors, but we came into these doors and noticed we had some rot issues going on. You can see some of the smaller ones over here that we've dug the rot out, and then I will explain the treatment process. We order a special product made by a company called Smith & Company, and what this does, it allows me to dig all of this gnarly rotten wood. That's all just dry rot. Rot is three types of bacteria that feed on each other, so you have to arrest the process, and the way we do that, in this particular case, we're going to be able to save having to tear this whole door apart. We dug all of the rotted wood out that we could until we got to a part where the wood is hard. Now we take the two-part epoxy, mix it up, part A and part B, 50-50, and then we soak this wood with this epoxy until it literally will not take any more. So what this will do is it'll soak all the way into the vascular system of the wood, into the tannins, so to speak, and it will harden. And what that does, when it hardens, it then kills the rot. It literally stops the rot process in its tracks. Now, once we do that, and that hardens for 24 hours, we'll take this two-part filler, part A and part B. This stuff mixes like cement. It's really hard to mix together, but you got to make sure you do it evenly. Once we get that mixed together, we will then fill that whole area in and sand it smooth and prime it and paint it, and it'll look like brand new. So we'll show you when we get a little further in the process. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.